let's see how we can we are going to publish the app from Unpublish. So I have published the app, I have already made the app live, but due to some reason I have to unpublish it, and now I'm going to republish the app to the user. So you just have to click on test and release, and here at the bottom you can see the advanced setting. Just click on it. When you will click, then you will see there is an option on the first go, app availability. There is a publish and unpublish. Just click on, you have to click on unpublish. So here is a delete this app, because we didn't have earlier this option, but now Google Play introduced this button that you can delete your app from the Play Store. Earlier, if your app is here, then it always be here, so you can't able to delete that app in previous time. So now you can delete it, and here we're going to click on it, publish, and just you have to click on save. Then it will time to publish the app. Google will also take the time to publish it, so it will go for the another round for testing, for the review if you have make any changes and all that. So just after waiting for the 15 minutes, then it will go to the changes. So you can do it till then. If you don't want to wait the 14 minutes, just click on the submit one change for review. When you click on it, then it will submit it to review. So it will first complete the 15 minutes of testing, and then it will go to in review. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.